Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate a Minecraft Java world. First, ensure your Minecraft game is completely closed, which is a crucial step before altering any game files. Opening it could lead to data issues. You need to locate your game's main installation folder, often found in your system's application data. This preparatory step prevents data corruption and ensures a smooth, safe duplication process for your valuable creations, taking just a few moments. To find your saves on Windows, type %appdata% into your search bar and press Enter. This opens a folder where you will see Minecraft. Double-click to enter. Inside, find the Saves folder. Each folder within Saves represents one of your unique Minecraft worlds. Identify the specific world you wish to duplicate from this list. Once you have found your desired world folder, click on it once to select it. Now, simply right-click and choose Copy from the context menu. Afterwards, right-click anywhere in the empty space within the Saves folder and select Paste. You should now see a new folder with the same name, often appended with something like Copy. After pairing, grant all necessary permissions requested by the application to ensure full functionality. Carefully follow any on-screen prompts to complete the essential software setup and updates for your watch. This is also the perfect time to customize settings such as notifications, watch faces, and your personal health tracking preferences. Allow a few minutes for all your data to fully synchronize between your iPhone and the Samsung Watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.